All right, so we're going to place an X over the problem that was solved incorrectly, meaning it was solved wrong. So if we were using PIMDAS in this situation, think of it parentheses. Okay, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. And I got 7. Okay, let's check this one. 6 plus 1. And it equaled 7. So far they both were solved the same. Now we have parentheses. No more parentheses because this is my new problem. Exponents. Okay, exponents. If I were to solve exponents, that would be the 2 cubed. 2 cubed. Well, I know that 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So if I were to solve 2 cubed, I should get 8. Uh-oh. We got 6 over here. Let's see if we got 8 over here. 2 cubed. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. 2 cubed is 8. Please don't ever multiply the base and the exponent together. It's not correct. They did 2 times 3, which gave them 6, and that is wrong. So you have to place the X over the problem that was completed incorrectly.